Hi friends! Welcome back to Reading with Mercy. Today, we are going to read all about my friend Peppa Pig's school trip. Have you been on a school trip before? They are so much fun! I can't wait for you to hear this story, so get comfortable, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Peppa and her friends are going on a school bus trip. "Let's check you are all here," says Madame Gazelle. "Here!" cries Peppa. "Today," begins Madame Gazelle, "we are going on a trip to the mountains." "Hooray!" cheer all the children. Peppa and Susie are already a little hungry. "Please, can we eat our lunch now?" they ask Madame Gazelle. "Why not eat your apples and save the rest for the picnic?" she replies. Crunch! Crunch! The bus has arrived at the foot of the mountain. "The road is very steep. Come on, bus! You can make it!" everyone cheers. "Look at the view!" gasps Madame Gazelle. All the children look out over the valley. Peppa and her friends have finally made it to the top of the mountain. "Wow!" sighs Peppa loudly. "Wow! Wow! Wow!" Peppa hears in the distance. "What was that?" she asks quietly. "It's your echo, Peppa," replies Madame Gazelle. "An echo is the sound you hear when you speak loudly in the mountains," explains Madame Gazelle. "Grunt, woof, baa, snort." Now it's time for a picnic lunch. Peppa loves picnics. Everyone loves picnics. Munch, slurp, munch. Yum, yum, yum. "Where are the ducks?" asks Peppa, taking a bite of her sandwich. "They always turn up when we have picnics." Quack, quack, quack. Here come the ducks. "Hello! Would you like some bread?" Peppa asks them. The ducks are very lucky today. There is plenty of bread. The bus has arrived. It's time to go home. "Let's all sing a song," suggests Madame Gazelle. "Hooray! Everyone has had a great day." Hi, friends. I really hope you enjoyed that story. Yay! Thank you for reading with me. Goodbye.